Hello student, welcome to our this Autocad series. In this series we are going to learn about Autocad for civil engineers and architects. Uh, let's start for introduction to engineering drawing. Autocad is general drafting and design application used in industry by architects, project managers, engineers, graphic designers, city planners, or town planners, and other professionals to prepare technical drawings. Various types of engineering drawings used in AEC industry, that is architectural engineering and construction industry. So let's see architectural drawings that contain floor plan, elevation, section details, etc. In structural drawing, they contain foundation plan, structural framing plans, reinforcement drawing, connection details, and in mechanical drawing, they people also use AutoCAD, and they their drawings contain HVAC drawing, the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning drawing, plumbing drawing, fire protection drawing, fire safety drawing, etc. In electrical drawing, electrical plan, power distribution diagram, circuit diagram, etc. And specifically for civil and site drawing, site plan, grading plan, utility plan, and other that is sewer plan, etc. In landscape and irrigation drawing, landscape plan, irrigation plan, etc. In specialty drawing, interior design drawing, fire alarm and security drawing, audio visual drawing for auditoriums, etc. So this is the little bit about AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, we are going to learn about civil engineering drawings and how to draw plans and how to use AutoCAD. So for drawing and drafting in civil engineering, so we from the next video we are going to learn and about AutoCAD and how to use AutoCAD software. Thank you.